2020 Chevrolet Traverse. With less than 53,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, HID headlights, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, Bluetooth, auto climate control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls. Take home the car of your dreams today.